Good morning, children. How are you? Have you finished your breakfast? Now let us start today our English grammar topic, singular and plural nouns. Before going to start, children, already we have discussed about the nouns. What are nouns, children? Naming words are known as nouns. What are the naming words? They may be the names of the persons, places or things. The names of the persons, places or things are known as naming words. And they are known as nouns. Nouns are nothing but the naming words. And in our previous class, children, we have discussed about countable and uncountable nouns and common and proper nouns. See, children, what do you mean by a common noun? The name used for the same class of people is known as a common noun, and the name used for a particular person, place or thing is known as proper noun. And always a proper noun starts with a capital letter. So today, children, we are going to learn about singular and plural. See, children, what do you mean by singular? Singular means one and plural means more than one. See, what do you mean by singular, children? Singular denotes one. Singular ante one. Plural means more than one. It may be two, it may be three, or it may be four. More than one. Okay. The noun which represents a singular one thing or one person or one animal is known as singular, and the things which are more than one, they are known as plural. See, children, how the plural nouns formed. There are few rules to write the plural for the given word. First one, we add s at the end of the word. Suppose apple. How we can write the plural form for apple? By adding yes. Apples. Okay. Okay, next one, table. How we can write the table plural? Tables. But some plurals are formed by adding es. Es. When we have to add es to the word to write a plural, children. See, children, es is used. Es is used to write the plural for a word which ends with yes or x, and before x there is a vowel. If x before there is a vowel, we'll add es, or ch. Suppose box, box, box. See, children, the word ends with x and before x there is a vowel. So to write the plural of such type of words, children, we will add es. And another is class, class, class. See, children, the word ends with ss. To write the plural for the word class, we have to add es, classes. Next word, children, branch. If you observe the given word, it ends with ch. To write the plural for this word, we have to add es, branches. Okay, means we can say that to write a plural for the word which ends with ss or x or ch, we have to add es. Es should be added to the words which ends with ss, ch or the x, and x before there is a vowel. To write plurals for such type of words, we use es. And one other more type of the plural is to add IES. Instead of Y, we have to add IES. Okay, children. There is another rule to write the plural forms by adding IES. Suppose baby. If you see the word body, city, story. Now if you see the words given to you, children, what you are observing, the words are ending with Y. But before Y there is a consonant. Before Y there is a consonant. The word which ends with Y, and if Y before there is a consonant, to write the plural of such type of words, we have to replace the Y with IES. Babies, bodies, cities, stories. See children, the word which ends with Y and Y before, if there is a consonant, to write the plural form for such type of words, we have to replace the Y with IES. To replace the Y with IES, we have to write the plurals for such type of words. See children, few more examples. Lady, L-A-D-Y, lady. What is the plural form for lady? Ladies. See, ends with Y and before Y there is a consonant. So to write the plural for a word which ends with Y, and if before Y there is a consonant, we have to replace the Y with IES to write the plural form for such type of words. And another rule children, to add VES. VES. Plural forms are formed by adding VES. In what situations we have to use VES? Sorry. If our word ends with F or FE, ends with F or FE, we replace F or FE with VES to write the plural form. Shelf, wife. See children, if you observe these words, first word ends with F. To write the plural for the leaf, what we have to add? VES. We have to replace చేయడం అంటే F ని తీసేసి VES యాడ్ చేయడం. Replace means you should not write F. Instead of F, we have to write VES to write the plural for leaf. Another is knife. Replace FE. KNIF. VES, knives. Shelf, replace F. SHE, shells. Wife, WIVES, wives. Okay, in this way we are getting the plurals by adding VES. So what we have learned children? Plurals with S, plurals with ES, plurals with IES, plurals with VES, and a few more plurals are there which are in irregular form. Let us discuss such type of plurals. See children, if you write the plural form of children, it is an irregular pattern. There is no specific rule. You have to just by heart such type of plurals. Ox, oxen. Man, men. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. See, these plurals are in an irregular manner. Some plurals are formed by adding s, some are formed by adding es, some are formed by adding ies, some are formed by adding vs, whereas some plurals are in an irregular manner. So children, plurals are these, more than one. Singular means one. In this chapter we have discussed about the singular and plural nouns. Once revise the topic, children, listen more times, you will understand more better. Have a nice